Napaka-busy nitong dalawang to. Please, sa gitna muna, Nance and James. Tayo muna tayo, please. For the photo op. Ayan.
One more.
Wow, parang red carpet.
Closer ng konti.
Kasunod
Yan.
ng mga
1,
camera.
2.
Beautiful. Flowers for Nadine. Thank you so much, Trisha. Okay. Nadine, pati ka nga muna. Pati yung mga kaibigan natin sa media for coming this afternoon, please.
Check. Hi, magandang hapon po. Thank you po for coming and welcome po.
Okay. And of course, James Reed. James, bebe.
Magandang hapon po. Thanks for coming. And really
Oo.
excited.
Ay, bakit? Hindi ko sinabi kay Nadine. Wala akong bebe kay Nadine. Bebe Nadine, sorry. And of course, we'd like to call in our two On the Wings of Love. Pa-share ng mic, please.
Sa On the Wings of Love, ang gagampanan ko po yung pinaka-poging character sa
Why not?
palabas na ito. Yun lang po.
Tita, Miss Nanette, your role in On the Wings of Love.
Ako po ang butihing ina ni Cherry Pie dito. Isa pong kapampangan. Panchang po, parang. Very punchy po. At medyo makulay po ang kanyang katauhan.
With you around, of course, di ba, Tita Nanette?
Ah.
With you around na ano niya, na talagang magiging makulay yun.
Oo, round din naman ang itsura ko, di ba?
Bianca Manalo. B, anong role mo dito? After how many years when was your last teleserye?
With Ariana.
Ariana,
2
Another
years.
Dreams came then.
Yes.
And you're back. And your role here?
Kapatid ako ni Nadine.
Oh.
Ako yung ate niya dito.
Sir.
Yes, yung triangle ko po of course, si James and si Nadine, and yun. Yung pala kasot na masasabi ko.
Cute, di ba? And of course, Miss Pai, anong kakaiba sa'yo dito? Lahat ka nilang kakaiba.
Nagsimula yung kwento.
Wow! Alam mo
Sinabi ko na
agad,
kagad.
PowerPoint.
Hindi yun, as it was mentioned, mami kasi Miss Nanette Inventor, tapos yun, I'm very happy, of course, always grateful for the new project, and yun, basta interesting yung character ko dito.
Hello, ako magiging tatay ni Nadine at ni Bianca. Very idealistic when it comes to love.
Yan po. Role, please.
I played the role of Clark Jones, right?
Wow.
1/3 of the love team. He's nakatira siya sa States, so that's where this confusing love team comes into play. Yeah, I guess that's all I can say for now.
Cool. Ang ganda lang talagang kaya kong sabihin ko. And of course, Nadine, your character, your role, bebe. Oh.
Character ko po dito si Leia. Simple, dreamer po siya and hopeless romantic.
Yun po muna.
Yun lang po muna.
Hopeless romantic.